So in this lab, database migration went sideways. You see here, database migration went sideways on 1 a.m. and something went wrong with the backup folder. You see here we have this folder var backups 2024. So let's enter that folder. See if we can zoom in. We can do cd var backups 2024. And we are now inside this folder. If we list the files and folders with ls, see we have a bunch of files there. So they ask us what is the name of the current backup bundle according to the manifest file. So we have this file manifest. We can look inside it with the cut command. And you'll see here the current file is this one. So they have different dates. So according to this manifest file, this is the current file. Then let me zoom out a little bit. Then they said, what is the compression format in the middle archive inside the bundle? So we have this bundle here, and this bundle is in this folder, so we can extract it. But before we extract it, let's move it somewhere else. So we'll make a new folder. You'll see it already exists. And then I'm going to copy this folder. Copy this file, this bundle, to this folder. So OPT recovery. Then inside, I move inside that folder, cd opt recovery. We could take a look inside it. We could do tar -t. T will look inside it, tzf bundle, and we have this file middle.tar.bz2. So the compression format here is bz2, or short for bzip2. Then we can extract this bundle. So we can do tar xv fz bundle. You see that extracted it, but it extracted another bundle. So we can extract this bundle as well. So we can do bzip2 -d middle. Then we have another bundle inside middle.tar. Then we can do tar xf middle.tar. And finally, we get the actual file, which is backup.log. So it is an archive inside an archive inside an archive. In the real world, you are very unlikely to see that. Typically, you have just one archive with files inside that. But technically, it's possible to have archives inside archives, as we see here. So inside this tar.gz archive, we had a tar.bz2 archive, and then middle.tar, and finally backup.log. So then they ask us about the log levels. So we can output this file, backup.log. And they say there are several log levels. So we have this info level and also the warn level. So they ask us what log level appears in the backup file that is not info. So we have info, and warn is the exception. So here we go, warn. Then they want to extract us to extract another archive. Let's see if we have one. We have this inner.tar.gz. So let's do tar xvfz inner tar.gz, and we find two files here, db.conf and schema.txt. You can take a look. They ask us about database passwords, so probably that will be in db.conf. And you'll see here we find db_pass, so this is the password. Then they ask us how many migrations have been running according to schema.txt. So schema.txt is another file that was inside this inner.tar.gz. We can take a look, schema.txt, and we find here 187 migrations. Finally, they ask us to verify the bundle against this checksum file. So we need to go back to the original folder because we went into this opt recovery. So let's go back to the original folder. We would cd var backups 2024. Then we have this checksum. We can verify it. So we can do ssh256 sum -c bundle.ssh256, and it will tell you it's okay. And what they want to know is the first word of this output. So in this case, the first word is this entire line. So we right click, copy, paste, and we now completed the lab.